our next generation has 22 degrees of freedom. It will be able to play the piano. So it's really like, wow.
Just happened. Elon Musk confirmed Tesla Optimus. Gen 2 produced at $10,000, priced to work at GigaTexas. Play our next generation has 22 degrees of freedom. It will be able to play the piano. So it's really like, wow. As expected, Optimus robot will be developed to Gen 3 with many unbelievable improvements. Elon Musk likened it to become C-3PO robot in Star Wars in the real world. But this is not the biggest surprise that Musk just talked about Tesla's humanoid robot in the 2024 annual Stockholder meeting. What shocked the whole industry is that Tesla can produce this robot for only $10,000. And there will be thousands of Optimus working in the factory by 2025. Crazy numbers. Its selling price was also confirmed once again through Musk. It costs like $10,000 or $20,000. So how can Tesla do this? And what did Elon Musk say about the robot development plan? When can we buy one? All will be revealed right now. Honestly speaking, after the Tesla 2024 annual stockholder meeting, the news, developments, and promises from Elon Musk could easily be made into a movie with multiple parts. But throughout this film, Optimus would undoubtedly be the main character. It's unbelievable that Elon Musk declared recently that the humanoid robot Optimus could potentially make Tesla worth $25 trillion, which is more than half the value of the entire current S&P 500 list of companies. According to FactSet, the combined value of S&P 500 companies is currently at $45.5 trillion US. Also at the Tesla 2024 shareholders meeting, it was mentioned that Tesla is not only embarking on a new chapter in its life, but is also poised to write an entirely new book, in which Optimus appears to be the focal point of the entire story. So, what did Elon Musk reveal about the plans for Optimus? It's fascinating to hear Elon discuss the potential with humanoid robots in the same way he talked about the development of Tesla electric vehicles back in 2008 and 2007, with limitless potential. The first surprise that Tesla's CEO mentioned about Optimus is that it can be customized to understand humans, to understand its owner. Specifically, during the stockholder meeting, a shareholder asked Elon Musk if Optimus would have a personality that users could set up, or what language model Tesla would use for its robot. We all know that the head of Optimus doesn't have much technology inside it, mainly a 2D camera at the moment. But that's not the final destination. In the next upgrades, there will likely be more interesting things like display screens and voices. Musk noted that this will actually happen when he said, yeah, you'll be able to customize the personality, customize the voice, and really kind of the robot will kind of get to know you as well and know your preferences. You won't even have to say things because it'll just kind of understand you. As Musk said, this means that we could completely build an Optimus based on our own personality traits, habits, and behaviors. Even the owners of these robots could customize their voices, such as choosing between male or female, local accents, or even the communication speed of these humanoid robots depending on the established language. Although we have imagined how intelligent Optimus would be due to its advanced AI technology and end-to-end neural network, we were still quite surprised by what Elon Musk shared. In other humanoid robots, like we often see, when we first bring it home, it takes us months, even years to get it used to the job. But with Optimus, or rather according to Musk, TeslaBot users do not need to give detailed instructions to this humanoid robot, because it will automatically understand and react according to the user's context and habits. Optimus can make predictions or actions based on the understanding accumulated through a short period of interaction. For example, you just need to rub your belly and it knows you're hungry. Making a sandwich is not too difficult with its 22 degrees of freedom hand. Humans have 27 degrees. Or you just need to frown and point at the grass garden. Optimus can cut them immediately. This is what Elon Musk is trying to say to confirm that this robot's learning ability is amazing. Optimus currently needs training, but in the next few years, it won't require extensive training beyond watching videos or observing others perform a task. Generally, training will be quite generalized, and by 2026, you'll be able to ask it to perform various tasks, including ones it hasn't done before, Musk said. Why is Optimus the best humanoid robot in the world? Have you watched Star Wars? While not disclosing exactly what Optimus can currently do, Elon Musk has predicted that someday robots will operate like the characters R2-D2 and C3PO in Star Wars. Optimus could become something everyone desires to have. But a C3PO plus R2-D2 plus, plus plus, it would be pretty awesome. I think everyone in the world is going to want one.
It's going to want one.
Also, at the stockholder meeting, not only did Elon Musk confirm that Optimus could be customized according to user preferences, but he also revealed some significant improvements for Optimus. For instance, the upcoming update will provide the humanoid robot with 22 degrees of freedom in its hands, which is not entirely new, as Musk had mentioned this before. However, this time Musk emphasized the marvel of this upgrade by stating that Optimus could play the piano with such hands. Our next generation that Elon Musk is referring to could be the Optimus Gen 3 we often refer to, a final version of this robot. Don't underestimate their hands. 22 degrees of freedom will enable them to perform at least 70 tasks, compared to the human hand's capability of 100 tasks, with 27 degrees of freedom. Many experts agree that Optimus's hands represent the most advanced technology on the market when compared to other humanoid robot manufacturers. Why is Optimus Robot a massive profit generator? We all know that the demand for these humanoid robots will be infinite in the next decade, as everyone would like to have their own homemaker. It's no coincidence that Musk is focusing on these robots instead of concentrating on electric vehicles. Perhaps the most shocking thing in the entire robotics industry is Elon Musk saying that Tesla could produce large-scale Optimus robots for $10,000 and sell them for $20,000 each.
You also need to be very good at scale manufacturing. So in order to have the robot not cost like hundreds of thousands of dollars, in order to make it cost like $10,000 or $20,000.
Yes, Tesla could absolutely produce them for just $10,000 when the company reaches a mass production line, along with a giant factory to produce these humanoid robots separately. Of course, initially this is not possible, and the price of $20,000 per Optimus is not a real word from Musk. We have to admit this. It will definitely be cheaper than others on the market, but not next year. $20,000 is the price of 2028 or 2030. We believe so because Musk recently confirmed that the company will lease this technology before starting sales, meaning it is very difficult to buy it. So leasing seems more reasonable. By 2028 and beyond, Tesla could potentially earn hundreds of billions of dollars in profit annually from Optimus alone. This valuation is staggering, based solely on Optimus. These robots will scale production rapidly once manufactured in large quantities. In smaller numbers, they appear more complex and costly compared to a Tesla EV. Although Elon Musk did not mention the development progress of Optimus in detail, he also hinted at a more detailed plan for using these humanoid robots for his factory. In just 2 years, Optimus has made incredible progress, and the number of tasks it can do is also increasing, most recently sorting 4,680 batteries off the line and automatically fixing errors. Because of this impressive ability, Elon Musk shared at the stockholder meeting that there could be 1,000 or more Optimus robots working at the electric car manufacturer next year.
But I think like next year, my prediction is next year we'll have over 1,000, maybe a few thousand Optimus robots working at Tesla.
We do not advocate the use of robots to eliminate humans, but there are truths that we sometimes have to accept. Maybe by 2030, Tesla's workforce will be reduced by 60% because of the presence of these robots, which work without needing to rest. Even if the battery runs out, it only takes about 5 minutes to charge because the 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack does not need too much time to be fully charged. It saves hundreds of thousands of dollars compared to Tesla having to pay a human worker each year. It is cheaper, more cost-effective, and works faster with extremely high precision. You know that humans can never surpass the precision of machines, especially Tesla will not be involved in lawsuits or complaints compared to human labor. Elon Musk is betting big on Tesla, not just in robotics but also in artificial intelligence through robots. He claims that Optimus will increase Tesla's value to tens of trillions of dollars, a figure that EVs will take a long time to reach. Is this possible? No one can say for sure, but many experts in robotics and artificial intelligence are optimistic. NVIDIA's CEO, for example, also believes Tesla is on the right track. He emphasizes that Tesla's approach, especially in developing neural networks, is sound. Of course, NVIDIA also benefits from this, since Tesla is buying billions of dollars in chips from them. The fact that Optimus utilizes components and technologies already employed by Tesla in its cars means the manufacturer has established a supply chain for all those parts through its vehicles. They can integrate these components into robots at a significantly lower cost compared to a new entrant into the industry that would need to install computers, cameras, or other devices from scratch in their robots. All the cost advantages Tesla has built through its automotive business will extend into its robot business, especially concerning the hardware needed for artificial intelligence to operate and move effectively. Why does Optimus have so much to overcome? Elon Musk believes Tesla will be worth 10 times the most valuable companies today, which is more than $10 trillion. Musk believes that the Optimus robot is Tesla's most important product, not cars or self-driving taxis. He's right, because the global labor market is worth many times more than the entire auto industry combined. Musk is saying that we're going to change the global labor market. Tesla will have at least 10% of the market share in the humanoid robot market. But until Optimus is really valuable, Tesla still has a long way to go before it can really make trillions in profit. So what does Musk say about the challenges of Optimus? According to the CEO, the humanoid robot-to-human ratio will be greater than 1:1, and building a humanoid robot is very difficult because Tesla had to design each part from scratch. There is no supply chain for the types of motors and sensors needed for a humanoid robot. Tesla will have to design every part of the robot from scratch, starting from basic principles. This includes the motor, gearbox, power electronics, and communication systems. Everything needs to be developed independently. According to Musk, he acknowledges that there isn't an established supply chain for humanoid robots, meaning Tesla will have to manufacture these components largely on its own without extensive support from material suppliers, even though many electric motors are produced worldwide. However, there isn't an established supply chain for the types of motors, sensors, and gearboxes necessary for an advanced humanoid robot like Optimus. Making prototypes is easy, but starting mass production is difficult. Tesla has only 2 years of experience, so the difficulties are countless, although Tesla has the ability to design, engineer, and manufacture. Talking about the future and the development as well as the difficulties that Tesla encounters with its robots, professors, and analysts have frankly commented. Animesh Garg, assistant professor of AI robotics at the Georgia Institute of Technology, said he would expect Tesla to have a humanoid platform with limbs, though it's unclear how robust and useful the hands will be, but would be surprised if Optimus could perform tasks beyond competent locomotion and skills like picking up objects that aren't complicated to grasp, with other features like interacting with objects like windows and doors to possibly follow a year or two later. Jonathan Aitken, a roboticist at the University of Sheffield in the UK, agreed Musk's timeline would be very challenging and described 2025 as ambitious but not out of the question, saying that a lot depends on the details of exactly what Musk is suggesting for its applications. Christian Hubicki, a robotics professor at Florida State University, said he wouldn't be shocked to see some carefully prepared video demos of an Optimus doing some nominal tasks in a factory by the end of the year, but warned it will be incredibly difficult to get the bots into the hands of customers who will find them useful in that time.
It has the production capability, it has the engineering capability, and it has the AI hardware and software capability. And even the most optimistic estimates that I've seen for Optimus.
While acknowledging the challenges ahead, Musk is an optimist, you know. He stressed that Tesla has all the key capabilities in manufacturing, engineering, artificial intelligence, hardware, and software. They can do big things with Tesla Optimus. Elon Musk also highlighted the importance of the manufacturer having the best electronics engineers in the world in transmissions and electric motors, power electronics. Musk is the wealthiest person in the world with a net worth of $210.7 billion, largely tied to Tesla. This includes a multi-billion-dollar compensation package that was recently rejected by a Delaware judge. Tesla and Musk plan to contest the ruling, and shareholders have voted to approve the agreement, which could potentially reinstate Musk's compensation package. However, the legal issues surrounding this matter are expected to take time to resolve, and experts suggest that it has pushed Musk, Tesla, and Delaware's legal system into uncharted territory. 6 billion USD. That's the amount Goldman Sachs analysts predict the global market for humanoid robots could reach within the next 10 to 15 years. According to the research and analysis firm Global Data, the broader robot market is projected to be worth 218 billion USD by 2030. If you observe a Tesla equipped with their full self-driving system today, you'll see that Tesla is confident their cars will achieve full autonomous driving capabilities without human intervention as early as the end of this year, or possibly next year, through their network of Robotaxis or cybercabs. Tesla plans to host an event on August 8th to introduce this technology. We need to start preparing early to purchase and integrate humanoid robots to support families during this crucial technological transition. It's undeniable that millions of jobs will be displaced due to the replacement by humanoid robots. However, this shift also brings new opportunities and employment in manufacturing and robot technology development. The reality is that by 2040, most jobs, particularly manual labor roles, will likely be taken over by humanoid robots. What we need to do now is prepare and adapt to this change to ensure that families and society can access and maximize the benefits that technology brings. Tesla recently announced that they have 2 Optimus robots working autonomously in their factory, and Musk said that Tesla will sell the robots to customers next year. Do you think this will happen? We have made a few videos about Optimus's missions, potential, and roles, as well as a film outlining the future of humanoid robots like Tesla's Optimus. We recommend watching it for a comprehensive look at this humanoid robots. We hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Tesla Car World family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.